Alright, 2019 Toyota Sienna. We're gonna reset the oil light. Alright, maintenance required light. Alright, for that, we're gonna use this guy right here. It's on the right hand of the steering wheel. You can do it when the car is running, that's fine. So we're gonna press this first. Now we're gonna go to right here, go settings, press this to enter. We go to maintenance reset. Okay, get in there. It says reset the maintenance reminder. Yes, maintenance reset complete. And that's how you reset the maintenance light in this 2019 Toyota Sienna. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good day. See ya.